Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that institutions token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, institution blockchains decentralize money. Institution decentralizes information, its trust ownership, discoverability and monetization, so more of humanity's institution can flow into the world, built by crypto industry veterans and decentralized identity pioneers, many of whom have worked together for nearly a decade. Institution is the first blockchain and protocol proposed for information finance. The idea that information itself can be structured, verified, exchanged and valued just like financial assets. More than a network or protocol, institution is the missing trust layer for the internet and AI, embedding human institution into machine intelligence and building an economy where ideas become assets, reputation becomes capital, and knowledge flows freely, no longer controlled by big tech but owned and monetized by everyone. Institution project institution rating is 3.6. Institution token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 176.64 million trust token is listed on Coinbase, Binance Alpha, KuCoin, crypto.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.